Studies on the Stroop effect demonstrate that meditation also seems to enhance the ability to filter out miscellaneous information. Some studies have suggested that this improvement in attentional allocation happens not only on a long-term basis, but also even shortly after a period of meditation. As you spend time allowing your brain to focus on one particular thing or allowing it to focus on nothing at all, after the meditation session, you improve your ability to concentrate on certain information in particular. In general, meditation is associated with increases in concentration, clearer thinking, and even creativity. Focusing on nothing at all actually requires a great deal of concentration. As you get more adept at not allowing intruding thoughts to enter your mind, you may be improving your ability to specifically allocate your attention to things when you aren't meditating. Whether or not you adopt the practice of meditating a few times a week, there is good evidence that you should meditate for 10 minutes or so as you prepare to undertake any mentally challenging task. If you begin by meditating for a few minutes, studies of post-meditation performance suggest that your cognitive performance will be enhanced